Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. If this video is helpful for you, so please do not forget to subscribe and comment below if any doubt. So let's start. Today is the day 21st and we are discussing about all about the list. Okay? So as we know that the anything inside the bracket that's a list. So in a odd I store whatever in the list, right? And now I can change anything in the list, but in the string, as we know that we can't change that, so it at the zeroth position, I want to change replace with 12. 2 is replaced with 12. The zeroth position is at a 2, and I want to be replaced with 12. Then I will write a odd, and it means it replace it. It means I will prove that the we can change anything inside the list, but not in the string. Okay, so let's see that the we can also change with anything is not only for the integer. We can change anything with we can replace things with anything else like integer, string, float, boolean, anything else in the list. Okay, so just like I can do the odd, and we give the second position. Second position, it means the first and in the second position fifth. We want to replace with the second position. The fifth is replaced with this multiple. This is a string because it isn't the double inverted comma. So where we like and we run this odd, and then we get this. We get the zeroth first and second. In the second position, we replace the fifth with the multiple. We get the multiple here. So it's that we can prove that list is mutable and string is immutable. So as that we move forward, as we know that the in a list we can append anything. Append is like we can add anything like any value, but inside, not at the last position. Okay, like here I write a odd dot append, and I write a 10. I want to add anything at the last, that will in append work like it add anything in the last in the list. Okay, so then we write a odd and we run that. We see here that a multiple and the 6, and we see that this 10 is right here in the at the last. Okay, and the extend is work like a same thing, but in the append we can add any one value at a time, but in the extend we can add more values, as many as we want. Okay, so extend work like many more values add at the last of whatever in the list. Okay, you want to like I read odd dot extend, and I want to add these 12, 3 and 4 in this list, right? So like odd, and then we store run this, so we get the 12, 3 and 4 at the last. Okay, and as we know that what's work like insert. Insert is like anything we get anything like odd dot insert, and I want to be insert 3 at the first position. Firstly we give the at which position you want to insert and what you want to insert. I want to insert the 3. Okay, so I write this, and then we run this. We get the at the first position we get the 3. Okay, so insert work like this. I hope this video is helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.